असम मिजोरम सीमा विवाद को लेकर असम पुलिस के महानिदेशक भास्कर ज्योति महंत ने कहा कि असम पुलिस द्वारा सीमा पर की गई कार्रवाई केवल वन विभाग के लोगों की सुरक्षा के लिए किया गया था। सुप्रीम कोर्ट का हवाला देते हुए उन्होंने कहा कि संरक्षित इलाकों में किसी भी प्रकार का अतिक्रमण गैर कानूनी है और इसके तहत वन विभाग ने अपना अभियान चलाया था।
Police has responded to the requisition given by the Forest Department, which has found that there has been terrible encroachment into the forest within the jurisdictions of Assam. And it is the mandate of the Forest Department given by the Supreme Court of Honorable Supreme Court of India that the forests are not to be played around with. If there is an encroachment being done inside the forest, it is the duty of the Forest Department to undertake activities to protect this forest. And Assam Police has received requisition from the Forest Department that they would like to put some people inside the reserve forest in different locations. They have undertaken that particular exercise and had sent a security party accordingly to help the Forest Department. And in doing so, if they have come across encroachment inside the forest area of Assam, then Forest Department has demolished it. And they have undertaken, I guess I'm told that there were some tents, etc., put up by other people, and Forest Department has seized those tents and has set up a particular camp of the Forest Department. Police is there to protect the forest personnel in discharge of their normal duty mandated by the laws and the Honorable Supreme Court of India. This is the case both in Mizoram as well as in Nagaland.
इधर गृह विभाग के प्रधान सचिव नीरज वर्मा ने कहा कि दोनों राज्यों के बीच ग्राउंड लेवल की बैठक भी हुई है, जिसमें दोनों तरफ से जिला उपायुक्त और पुलिस अधीक्षक शामिल थे। इसके अलावा समस्या के समाधान के लिए असम के मुख्य सचिव ने सचिव स्तर के बातचीत का प्रस्ताव भी मिजोरम को दिया है।
Regarding meetings, there is a meeting at a ground level between Deputy Commissioner and SP of both the sides. Then we have also written that if there is any misconception or anything which requires ascertaining of facts, that there can be a meeting between the chief secretaries. So that from Assam side also, Chief Secretary Assam has written. I know about that. So this is a routine channel, and this type of interaction will take on. Assam Chief Secretary has also written, and I'm sure that we will have a meeting between Chief Secretaries soon. There has been both the Deputy Commissioners from Assam and Mizoram border side have been in touch with each other, which is a good thing.
और इसके अलावा गृह विभाग के मुख्य सचिव नीरज वर्मा ने कहा कि पहले राज्यों के बीच बॉर्डर मीटिंग होती थी, जो अभी रुक गई है।
There is some makeshift structure and all that, which is in the form of encroachment. There is a Supreme Court order. There cannot be any encroachment. There cannot be anything inside the forest area. So they have removed that. So Forest Department, from Home Department, from Police Department, we are just supporting them to do their routine normal work. Not necessarily. Sometimes if there is any difference in perception, then definitely from Mizoram also people come. There are cases where officers from Mizoram and officers from Assam come and they see that they ascertain the facts. This, I would say, is more ascertaining, and many a times they realize, Mizoram also realize that what is happening is that if it is inside our area, then they are supposed to give us the facts. So it is a routine thing, mixing, because you see this border meetings used to happen very frequently earlier. Nowadays it is not happening, but between the deputy commissioners and SPs there should be border meeting, and then people will know in the ground what is happening.